Unlock the secret to finding off-market gems and motivated sellers with the Flip Man's proven Propstream strategies. Hey everyone, it's your host, and today we're diving deep into Propstream with none other than the Flip Man himself to show you how to pull lists that actually make you money. First things first, we're going to open up Propstream. Don't just skim. We're going to get granular with our filters. Start by setting your desired geographic area. This could be a specific zip code, a city, or even a radius around a particular point. Now, this is where the Flip Man's magic begins. We're not looking for just any property. We're hunting for motivated sellers, so, under ownership information, pay close attention to absentee owners, especially those with more than one property. This often signifies investors looking to offload. Next, we'll refine by property characteristics. Think about what makes a property ripe for flipping or renting. I'm talking about year built. Older homes often have more potential also. Consider the property type. Single-family homes are a sweet spot for many investors. The Flip Man's key insight here is value and equity. We're looking for properties with significant equity, because that's where the deals are. Target a homeowner's equity percentage. We're talking 50% and above also. If you have a specific ARV, after repair value in mind, you can filter by estimated market or ARV. But we're not done yet. Let's layer in some additional powerful filters. Consider pre-foreclosure and foreclosure statuses. These are often distressed situations where sellers are highly motivated also. Look at vacant properties. Emptiness can signal a seller who's checked out and ready to deal. The Flip Man also uses bad address and mailing address difference as subtle indicators. If the mailing address is different from the property address, it hints at an absentee owner who might be out of state and less hands-on with their property. By combining these filters strategically, you're not just pulling a list. You're pulling a curated list of highly targeted prospects. These are the properties that the Flip Man uses to consistently find profitable deals. Remember, precision targeting is the name of the game.